we had a little fight. That llama's usually not bad like that. He stole my moon jacket, which I really love. I really like my moon jacket. You can pull the strings, and I can put it on my hand. See? It's for my hand. Now, let's talk to him for a minute. So, what's up? Sorry if I lost your jacket to a penguin. How dare you throw that symbol at me? Oh, you think you're hip, don't you? I got some hip for you. He's down, which is pretty good. Now, if you like my face, please leave a comment. Face. Now, there's that cube you've been looking at last episode. Last episode, we looked at the cube. The cube. Now, knowing it's nearing to 3 minutes, we really need to cut short of the time this week, knowing that I will go crazy. There'll be more videos posted today, probably, maybe not, we don't know. We'll just find out.
Please subscribe! Man, that kid gets annoying every time I watch him.